Today, we're dealing with a common concern that many of us face. Under eye bags. These pesky dark circles and puffiness can make you look tired and older than you feel. But don't worry, we're going to tackle this problem step by step and give you some proven methods to eliminate under eye bags for good. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's understand what causes under eye bags. They're often due to factors like aging, lack of sleep, allergies, and even genetics. When you're tired, fluid can accumulate under your eyes, leading to puffiness and dark circles. Now, let's get into how to get rid of them. Use a cold compress. A cold compress can reduce swelling and shrink dilated blood vessels, which can lessen the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. You can use chilled spoons or a cold compress. Place 2 spoons in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. Once chilled, gently place the back of the spoons against your under eye area for a few minutes. Try tea bags. Tea bags are great because they contain caffeine and antioxidants, which can stimulate blood circulation, shrink blood vessels, and reduce fluid retention under your skin. Steep 2 tea bags, green or black, in hot water for a few minutes. Let them cool in the fridge, then place them on your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Cucumber slices. Cucumbers have skin lightening and mild astringent properties, which can help fix those raccoon eyes naturally. Cut a fresh cucumber into thick slices and chill them for about 30 minutes. Place the slices on your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Apply vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce under eye bags by repairing and protecting your skin. Gently massage a few drops of vitamin E oil around your eyes before bedtime. Use retinol cream. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that helps with cell turnover and can reduce dark circles and puffiness over time. Apply a small amount of retinol cream to your under eye area, preferably at night, as retinol can make your skin sensitive to sunlight. Make sure to use sunscreen the next day. Get enough sleep. One of the most common causes of under eye bags is lack of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Use a sleep mask to block out light and ensure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and dark. Elevate your head with an extra pillow to prevent fluid from pooling under your eyes. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can help reduce under eye bags. Incorporate foods high in vitamins A, C, and E, like leafy greens, berries, and nuts, into your diet. Avoid excessive salt and alcohol, which can lead to fluid retention. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day can prevent dehydration, which can contribute to under eye bags. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Carry a water bottle with you to remind yourself to drink. Protect your skin from the sun. Sun exposure can make under eye bags worse by weakening the skin around your eyes. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even when it's cloudy. These methods are backed by dermatologists and studies. For instance, the benefits of caffeine for reducing under eye bags have been highlighted in dermatology research over the years, and many dermatologists recommend using retinol for its anti-aging properties. So you can be confident these tips are effective and safe to try. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to reducing those under eye bags and feeling more refreshed and youthful. For persistent under eye circles, consulting a dermatologist to explore underlying causes and discuss treatment options is recommended. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on how to look and feel your best. Share this video with your friends who might be struggling with under eye bags, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.